All right, so we're up for another front yard adventure today, and today we have the DRC DE69. Now this little rock crawler is a kid's toy, but it is an excellent beginner RC. It's got lights, it's got smoke, but what we're going to do is we're going to throw it on the ground, we're going to take it for a rip, and let you see if this is good enough for you. Let's do it. Okay, so what do you think of this little DE69? We just came back inside because outside you can't see the lights, and I'm hoping that you can see them right now. But you can see that it's slowly alternating the lights right now. And I'm going to bring you up closer to it. But on the remote control, you actually have a control where you can change the light pattern. You can go solid, you can go flashing, you can go to a slower blink, and you can go to solid, off, and then alternating. But I don't know if you noticed outside or not, but if you look at the back of the car, it's got a jet engine. That's right, this thing blows smoke out the back. It's going so fast. And what that is that's really just a little water diffuser. You put water in the top of the RC car, and it just gives it the appearance of a jet engine, which makes it super cool for the kids. It's just a fun little feature. Like I said, this is made for a younger crowd. But it's very capable, as you saw. You can go through grass and gravel and dirt and on the pavement as well. And it's just a fun little RC. It's faster than I can walk, so it's probably like 7 miles an hour, but it's plenty quick enough for somebody who's just learning, and it's a wonderful little entry-level RC. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.